Dear students, welcome to our class on JRF, SRF, Net 2022 General Knowledge. In this class, we try to discuss and understand most important bits on organic farming. Now, the first bit of today's class is the father of modern organic agriculture is Sir Albert Howard, Howard. An example of stem nodulating green manure plant is Sesbania robusta. An example of stem nodulating green manure plant is Sesbania robusta. Globally, largest market for organic products was in dash country. It is in Denmark, 11.5%, 1.5%. The method of farming that aims to treat the farm as a living system is known as biodynamic agriculture. Biodynamic agriculture. Once again, I repeat, the method of farming that aims to treat the farm as a living system is known as biodynamic agriculture. Now, the book entitled A Handbook of Organic Farming was written by A.K. Sharma. IIFS is also known as Evergreen Revolution. Basic principle of natural eco farming is harvesting the sun. The ICR during the 10th plan initiated a network project on organic farming, with the lead center at the Project Directorate for Farming Systems Research, PDGES, we call it as. It is at Modipuram. Once again, for your academic interest, I repeat, the ICR during the 10th plan initiated a network project on organic farming, with the lead center at the Project Directorate of Farming Systems Research, Modipuram. This is the answer. Now, the scheme that provides agriculture-related information to the farming community through toll-free telephone is KCC, Krishna Call Center. Once again, I repeat, this bit is likely to come. The scheme that provides agriculture-related information to the farming community through toll-free telephone is Kisan Call Center. Now, the time between this bit has appeared twice. That's why, please, the following bit. The time between the start of organic management and certification of crops is known as conversion period. Once again, for your academic interest, I repeat it because this has appeared already twice. Now, the time between the start of organic management and certification of crops is known as the conversion period. World's largest compost plant is located at Israel. I repeat once again, world's largest compost pit is located at Israel. Microorganisms that are capable of decomposing organic matter at a faster rate are termed as decomposers. The regulatory body of NPOP under FTDR is APIDA. I repeat the question once again. Answer also. The regulatory body of NPOP, National Project on Organic Farming, NPOP. Under FTDR is APIDA. The regulatory body of NPOP, under FTDR is APIDA. Examples of botanical pesticides. Rotinon, nicotine, chrysanthemum. Once again, I repeat, botanical pesticides. Nicotine, chrysanthemum, rotinon. Now, what is non-botanical pesticide? Marigold. Rhizobium species suitable for fixing atmospheric nitrogen in soybean is Japanicum. Now, it's a rhizobium species. Japanicum is a species in soybean to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. My PhD work was on soybean. That's why. Zero budget natural farming is associated with Subhash Palekar. Industrial wastes are commonly referred as effluents, AFFLUENTS. Botanical pesticide used for seed treatment in organic farming is Bijamrutam. Botanical pesticide used for seed treatment, Bijamrutam. An example of bioherbicide is D-wine. D, capital D, small e, V-I-N-A. Two separate words. D-wine. Resting places for predatory birds in the field under IPM, Integrated Pest Management. I repeat once again. Resting places for predatory birds in the field under IPM is known as bird perches. B-I-R-D, bird, P-E-R-C-H-E-S, bird perches. NCOF is located at Ghaziabad. NCOF is located at Ghaziabad. Technique of removal of successive flushes of weeds before sowing is known as stale seedbed. I repeat once again. Technique of removal of successive flushes of weeds before sowing is known as stale seedbed. Indian state having the largest area under organic certification is Madhya Pradesh. This bit will come. Okay. Next bit, what I am going to read now. Farming practice or set of methods. Farming practice or set of methods which involve farming without chemicals and purchased inputs is dash natural farming. India declared the following state as the organic state. Organic state in India is Sikkim. Blood meal is a rich source of nitrogen. The country having the largest area under organic agriculture is Australia. An example of edible oil cake for livestock is groundnut cake. Largest number of plants used as biopesticides belong to dash Asteraceae, A-S-T-E-R-A-C-E-A-E. Steiner, Rudolf Steiner is a German scientist associated with biodynamic agriculture. Plant components applied on unwanted crops for control, are known as bioherbicides. A non-symbiotic, free-living aerobic soil bacterium which helps in nitrogen fixation is Azotobacter. Azotobacter is a non-symbiotic, free-living aerobic soil bacterium. So VAM, is a phosphate solubilizer. VAM is a phosphate solubilizer. Nitrogen content in the farm made manure FIM is 0.5% in general. 0.5%. The best seed treatment against soil-borne fungal disease in organic farming is trichoderma. Soil-borne fungal disease, trichoderma. Now, area under organic farming in India is 2.88 million hectares. Earthworm species used for vermicomposting is EPIGEIC, EPIGEIC. The organization that looks or promotes organic farming at international level is IFOAM. IFOAM. What is IFOAM? International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movement. Now, the materials used for organic farming are compost, vermicompost, poultry manure, etc. The materials not used for organic is night soil. Night soil is not used for organic farming. Materials used are composting, vermicomposting, poultry manure. Not used is night soil. This is very important. Now, the quantity of waste material that can be converted by 1,000 earthworms in a day is 5 kgs. An example of dual purpose biofertilizer is azolla. Some expand the following are most likely to come. For your academic interest, I read it twice. APEDA, APEDA, Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. Once again, APEDA, Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. NPOP, National Program for Organic Production. NPOP, National Program for Organic Production. RKVY. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. RKVY, Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. UNUP, United Nations Environment Program, in which I was very fortunate to associate. UNUP. IFOAM, half minute back I told. IFOAM, this is the organization that looks after or promote organic farming at the international level. IFOAM, the expansion is the International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movement. International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movement. Now, Okay, small and marginal farmers. Okay, in the match of list 1, list 2, it will come. Small and marginal farmers are. Okay, in the match the following: Chetana, CHETANA, adoption of organic village by cluster approach. I repeat once again: adoption of organic village by cluster approach. PKVY. Okay, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. This bit had appeared last time. PKVY, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Okay, in the match the following, 2-3 more I will tell. Term organic farming was coined by, okay, Lord North Bourne, BOURNE. Now, okay, to prevent farmer suicides, PMFBY. Okay, you know it several times I told in the general agriculture. One straw revolution. Okay, it is this also I had given for your academic interest in the organic farming. Also, I am interested in you. One straw revolution is confined to Fukuoka. FUKUOKA. Anyway, how you spell it is left to you. Okay, one straw revolution, FUKUOKA. So these are the things that I would like to share with you as far as the organic farming is concerned. Most important bits are PKVY that appeared, Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. Another thing, APEDA, Expand Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. One important thing that had appeared at least once is the area under organic farming in India. Last time is 2.88 million hectares. Now, so okay, the VAM is a phosphate solubilizer. This bit also appeared in the year 2019 in the next level exam only. Now, another important thing is that the country having the largest area under organic farming is Australia. Now, this bit I would like to share with you for half minute. You see, farming practice are set of methods. Farming practice are set of methods which involve farming without two things: chemicals and purchased inputs. Chemicals and purchase. It is known as natural farming. I repeat for your academic interest: farming practice or set of methods. Farming practice or set of methods. Okay, which involve farming without two things: chemicals and purchased inputs is natural farming. Here, the bit that would appear certain in the year 2022, in my fairest opinion, is that on 22nd March 2022, this year, 22nd March 2022, the natural farming is added to the unit of Jabalpur. This bit will come. Okay, this also I would like to share with you. Another few bits that have appeared earlier are botanical pesticide used for seed treatment in organic farming is seed bija amrita. This is a general question. NCYF is located at Ghaziabad. You may get confused. That's why I am repeating it. NCYF is located at Ghaziabad. Okay, National Center for Organic Farming. Now, the ICR during the 10th plan initiated a network project on organic farming, which with lead center at Modipuram. Modipuram is known for what? PDFSR, Project Directorate for Farming Systems Research, okay, in which I worked for few months. Okay, that's why. Okay, now from the beginning, if you see, what I would like to impress upon is that globally largest market for organic products are available in Denmark. 11.5%. And okay, basic principle of nature eco farming is harvesting of the sun. This bit also appeared several times. The last important bit I would like to share with you once again or twice again is that this with reference to natural farming I would like to share. Please, that bit will come. Okay, thanking you very much for your very patient hearing.